Hey guys, it's Di from BeingMommywithStyle, and today we're doing a Polar Express party, so I'm excited about this. We did it a couple years ago and it was a ton of fun, so I'm excited to be doing it again. And today is really exciting because it's also a collaboration between a number of ladies here on YouTube that are also doing Polar Express parties. So I will put their links down below and you guys can go check out all of their videos and their takes on the Polar Express party. I'm sure there's gonna be tons of great ideas, so check those out after you watch my video. And thanks to Marie from Crazy Busy Family Life for getting everyone together to do this collaboration, because Polar Express is one of my favorites. Absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you our different stations that we have set up. I have the food station here in the dining room. We're going to be doing crafts in the kitchen, and then of course going down to the family room to watch the movie. So I will show you the different things we have set up and share some of our party fun. Here is our Polar Express table, and you might recognize a few things. Some of the things are new. So I printed off printables from online, and I will share those links down below. But this is from the Dating Divas. I loved this printable. Here we've only got one rule: never ever let it cool. So this is, of course, one of our favorite songs and parts of the movie. So we loved the hot chocolate signs. And all of those are from the Dating Divas, and I will link them down below. And then this is actually the North Pole sign that we made the last time when we did this. I just trimmed it down a little bit. If you can believe it, it's moved a couple times with us and it's made it. So we're going to be making a kind of similar version of these again today. Only today we're going to be making it out of these toilet paper rolls, and then I actually have the exact same ornaments that I had a couple years ago. So the kids are going to be painting those North Pole signs. We're also going to be doing Decorate the Christmas Tree, and I got these printables from School Time Snippets blog, and I'll link these down below. We're just going to be using puffballs and some gems to decorate the Christmas tree. And then last but not least, they're going to make their own little caribou out of these that I had from a previous year that we got at Hobby Lobby. So those are all the crafts we're going to do in the kitchen. And then over here on the table, I just have the gift of Christmas, a couple of fruit items. There's some caribou cookies. I actually had reindeer cookies that I made, and then there's some Linzer cookies. We've got some crackers over here and some reindeer food, some cheese and goldfish crackers. And then these cute little signs are also from the Dating Divas. There's a name tag for Isabella and a name tag for Natalie. So we're going to start out by doing some crafts and get our Polar Express party started. Everyone gets a paper plate to put on bottom. And then we are going to be painting these to look like that. Do you guys remember doing this before? Do you remember painting these?
No.
No? And I know you probably don't, Natalie.
I do.
You do? Well, we're going to paint our North Pole signs. So it needs to be candy striped with red and white. Do you guys see that? So you need red line, then a white line, then a red line, then a white line. You want to make it look like a candy cane. And you see how I kind of made a diagonal across? So that's the first thing we're going to do. I'm going to give you some red and white paint, and we're going to let that dry. Then we're going to be decorating a Christmas tree with our gems over here. That's what the gems are for, Natalie. And then the last thing we're going to be doing is making our own little caribou. Okay? Yep, caribous.
Perfect for my little animal sanctuary.
Perfect for your animal sanctuary you're running in your room. So let's start doing the toilet paper rolls so they can be drying here.
Hey, where's my...
There you go. Perfect.
It needs to be spreaded.
Yeah, you gotta spread it out a little bit. How's it going? You getting it?
Yeah. We're good.
So we're gonna try the red paint pen because our red paint was a little bit dried up. I guess I gotta add some water to it. Nicely, Bella. That's not nice. What was that? Yeah, you can decorate your plate. Lovely. All right, we're gonna let those dry a little bit, then put our red on there. So next we're gonna decorate our Christmas tree. You guys can put whatever gems on there you want. I pre-dotted Natalie's. Very nice.
It's not coming out.
You guys squeeze it really hard. That's why I put it on hers. Here, you want me to do it? Yeah, you get it, but then you don't want to get the whole thing out. So here, I'll do yours too. Cute. I like the pom-poms. There's Bella's Christmas tree. And there's Natalie's sparkly Christmas tree. We got some red on those. So while we're waiting for those to finish drying, we're going to put our caribou together And then we're gonna glue the balls and put some cotton balls around our little North Pole signs.
Hey, close.
We're having glue issues over here. There you go, get it open. The last thing that we're gonna do is glue our little ball to the top of our sign and add some cotton snow around the bottom. And then after it's all dry and put together, we'll put our North Pole sign on. So there's yours, Natalie. And I'll get you some cotton balls.
Aurora.
It what?
It's Girl Aurora.
All right, hold on. We're gonna stick the ornament side down and we gotta put some glue on it so it stays. So we're adding some snow to our signs, and then we can go get our snack. Here are our little North Pole signs, and then we're gonna add our North Pole sign to the poles after they've had a chance to dry, but we're gonna go get a snack now. We're gonna go in the dining room and get a snack, and they've got the regular seats all spread out here. So here's what we have, ladies. I'll turn the signs around so you can see.
Oh my goodness, tickets!
Tickets!
Hey.
And we have reindeer food. This says Isabella on it. That says Natalie. This says the gift of Christmas. And caribou cookies.
And tickets!
Yep, so here's a plate for you. Here's a plate for you.
Tickets!
Would you like a caribou cookie?
I got tickets!
Would you like a caribou cookie? Whoop. Here, put it. There you go. And here is goldfish. We're calling this reindeer food. That's Christmas shaped. Does anyone want any goldfish? Yeah, I figured you would. And then there's some cheese over here in the reindeer food section. And we got some crackers if you guys want any of those. Here's some grapes. Here you go. You want one, Isabella? So we're gonna have our snack and then go turn our movie on. Yes, we're gonna do hot chocolate, but unfortunately this time we're not gonna take it in where the movie is because we have carpet at this house. The last house we had hardwood floors, so it wasn't as big a deal, but we're gonna eat our hot chocolate in here, so I'm gonna go get that for you guys. And it's a winter wonderland outside today. We got like 6 inches of snow, so it's a perfect day for a Polar Express party. All right, we have hot chocolate. It's got marshmallows in it. Here's some hot chocolate, Natalie. 2 hands. And Isabella. There you go. So we're gonna have some hot chocolate and we're gonna go start our movie. Well, it's gone quiet over there, so that must mean that it's good. Was it a good thumbs up, Natalie? That was a quick thumbs up from Bella. Please? Tickets? All right, go ahead and have a seat.
Either pre-pass or pass.
Ticket? You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. There's your ticket. Here we go. I love this movie. It's such a fun movie. We'll see you after the movie. We'll go finish our crafts. Here are the little North Pole signs all done. So if you guys enjoyed following along on our Polar Express party, don't forget to check out all the other collab videos that'll be listed in the description box down below. And I hope the bell jingles for you as well. We believe here at our house. Have a great day, and we'll see you in a Vlogmas vlog very soon. Do you hear the jingle? Bye.